Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix FPS drops and stuttering in CS2. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. Launch Counter-Strike 2 and navigate to in-game settings. Go to Advanced Video Settings. Enter Video section to access your graphics settings. Enable NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency Mode or improve gameplay. Change the default to full screen setting for smoother performance. To fix FPS max issues, adjust your FPS to 60 or a suitable PC rate by selecting 60 FPS in video settings from the drop-down menu or adjusting your frame rate to a higher value, like your screen's refresh rate. In your advanced settings, find anti-aliasing options and switch to CMAA2 from the drop-down menu for smoother graphics and reduce stuttering on PCs with issues with MSAA or multisampling anti-aliasing. Disable VSync or vertical sync in CS2 for smoother gameplay, but it may introduce screen tearing. Test in the bot game to find the best option. Use launch options and commands to enhance gameplay experience. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.